Galingan mo, Pam. Papa. Papa.
We got it.
Birthday girl. Choreographer. Yay! Interview with Jessica.
Jessica Thunder. No, after. I'm going on set.
Okay. Yung ganon muna.
Sorry, do-
Ganon din. Hindi, yung ginawa natin sa crank that.
No, Tommy, how can I get from here?
Papa.
So, do you love your papa?
Yeah.
Now do you love my papa?
What?
In the beginning,
What?
you can be like,
What?
stop.
Sige!
Okay, in the beginning
What?
you should, no.
What?
Okay, in the beginning you should like, what?
No!
You're losing your concentration. No, you're using my voice to get you back up.
Hurry up!
Do that first. In the
What?
beginning, like, how does it feel making your video, and then
Yeah,
and then the
yeah.
video in the end. Okay, go. Okay.
Practice!